Hey everyone! Today I am going to walk you through how to set up Microsoft Copilot on Telegram step by step so you can start chatting with it in just a few minutes. To begin, open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. In the search bar, type Copilot Official Bot and tap on the result called Microsoft Copilot. Once the chat opens, tap the Start button at the bottom of the screen. After that, Copilot will ask you to accept the terms and conditions before continuing. Read through the message and tap I accept to move forward. Next comes a one-time verification step. Copilot will ask to verify your account using your mobile number. Tap the option that says Send my mobile number. Telegram will then ask you to confirm sharing your contact. Select Share Contact to approve the request. This verification step is only done once and is used to confirm your account. After the verification is complete, you will see a message saying you are all set. From this point on, you can start chatting with Microsoft Copilot directly inside Telegram. You can ask questions, get help with writing, summaries, ideas, explanations, and more. Copilot will stay in your Telegram chat list, so you can come back and use it anytime. That is how to set up Microsoft Copilot on Telegram step by step.